Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you this degree program in association with UCAM. MBA in Coaching Mentoring. Master of Business Administration degree with a specialization in coaching mentoring provides the learner with a repertoire of powerful techniques such as incisive questioning, active listening, goal setting, and effective feedback that will greatly enhance their practice. The program guides the learner through some of the most insightful literature in the field and encourages the learner to critically engage with it. They will increase self-awareness using psychometric testing, journal writing, and peer coaching. They will develop their capabilities as a reflective writer and keep a journal to evaluate their coaching and mentoring. The program enables learners to develop their leadership and management skills, either to support new teachers' induction into the profession or to help more established colleagues to realize their potential. The learners will deepen their thinking about aspects of coaching and/or mentoring and present their findings to learners to develop a supportive, professional community. They will also practice coaching and mentoring and demonstrate their competence by recording and critically reflecting on a coaching mentoring session. The program provides the learners with an opportunity for sustained engagement with the subject, and thus they will embark on a learning journey in a supportive and non-threatening environment. Learners will expand their theoretical knowledge and develop the skills and approaches needed to grow as professional coaches or mentor with certification in this program. Why this program? Program designed exclusively for professionals with work experience. Become eligible to gain direct entry into relevant doctorate PhD program, European Credit Transfer and Accumulation System, 60 ECTS, enabled program, online assignments and assessment, MBA degree awarded from UCAM, Spain. Who should enroll? MBA in Coaching Mentoring is ideal for executive career coach, leadership mentor, talent development manager, sports education professionals, coaching psychologists. Count on our qualification. Universidad Católica San Antonio de Murcia, UCAM, is a fully accredited European university founded in the year 1996. The university is strategically located in Murcia, Spain, with a campus of more than 16,000 students and around 1,000 professors. The World University ranking especially highlights the internationalization capacity of UCAM. The university has a diverse academic offer, constantly adapting and consistent with the real needs of society. MBA degree is awarded by UCAM under the provision of university private degrees. Syllabus. Stage 1. All the units of Stage 1 are mandatory units: strategic management, strategic leadership, strategic human resource management, strategic financial management, establishing coaching and mentoring in the organization, research methods for coaching and mentoring. Stage 2. Learners on successful completion of Stage 1 would move to next stage of the MBA program. The last stage consists of one unit. Unit dissertation. This unit is designed to make a major contribution to learners' professional and intellectual development by enabling them to demonstrate their capacity for sustained independent thought, learning, and critical reflection. Dissertation should be of 12,000 words. Duration. Top-up program 6 to 12 months, normal program 18 to 24 months. Entry requirements. A bachelor's degree or equivalent or higher qualification. English requirements. We recognize the following evidence of English language proficiency. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.